8 days 7 nights Kerala tour package. Cochin/Munnar, visit the thekkady waterfalls, Shivapura, the Lara waterfalls, Spice Gardens. Munnar, visit Rajamala, Majupeti, Eco Point, Kundala, Top Station, Tea Factory, Rose Garden. Thekkady, visit Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, Mullaperiyar Dam, boat cruise, elephant ride and much more. Alabora, visit meandering canals, brackish lagoons and backwaters, houseboating, sunset cruise. Kovalam, watch beautiful sunset at Varkala Beach. Trivandrum, visit famous temples, zoo and more. Kanyakumari, visit famous Vivekanandapara temples and beautiful sunset at the beach. Visit stunning places on the way back to your drop-off point. Experienced tour guide to help you with your journey from start to finish. Get best deals at booking your stay and every help you need to make your journey a memorable one.